Pretty good. It is good. Bro, it is 1-0. What? Hello, my friend. Good. I'm eating right now. It's like curry. Huh? Yeah. We gotta go for seconds, mate. We gotta go for seconds, mate. I don't know what it is, but this is good.
Those are roasted sweet potatoes. I know my food.
You know your food.
And chickpea chili. Is it good?
What is the game?
It's Moroccan.
Oh, this is Moroccan food? Okay, then Morocco. Hey, Morocco got good food, man. Y'all be...
You know who else got good food?
Who?
My mom.
Your mom has good food?
Yeah, she actually does.
Really, mate?
Yeah.
Really, mate?
Your mom has good food? That's nice.
Really, mate? Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom. I don't want fish, mate. I do not want fish. I don't want fish. Norway lost. Wait,
That fish.
it's good?
Yeah, it is.
You're a liar. You're such a liar. Why people keep asking me that? Where's Ronaldo? Bro, listen. Ronaldo is probably training. He's probably on his yacht. He's probably with his family. He's probably with Georgiana. He's probably with Junior. He's probably just living CR7 life. He's the GOAT. He's still the GOAT. He's still the GOAT. Okay, he lost. He's still the GOAT. Hell? Like, you know what I mean? Hold on. Like, bro. Bro, Jamal, what you got going on, bro?
Don't worry about it. No, you're not supposed to talk about it. You're not supposed to talk about it on stream.
What'd you do?
No, we're not supposed to talk about it on stream. That's it.
The moment start working out the morning.
No. Yeah, I know.
Word. What? I'm no lost.
We can't talk about it. He was told not to talk about it, so let's just move on.
That Moroccan food is so good. Let me give y'all a mukbang. Right now I'm eating sweet potatoes and I don't even know, and chickpeas? What's a
Tagine.
Tagine. Shout out to Morocco, so I'm like my baby. I know y'all lost, but very good food, man. Ooh. Should I get more or like stop eating? Chef, should I get another plate? Nah. Yeah, I think I should. Another plate? Oh, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, come on.
I can't see you, you're so far. Hey, respect going to Jamaica, that's where I'm from.
Yes.
Okay, I got a video of you with the Peruvians.
Peru es clave! Peru es clave! Peru es clave! Hold on, y'all. 12? Are y'all calling me 12? Are y'all calling me 12? What the? Yo, bro, what are y'all sneak distance? What is this? Okay. Nice. Okay, what is going on? Wait, you? Okay, mate. Okay, mate. Yeah, hold on, y'all. Come on, yo, come on. Can I eat? Come on, brother. Let me eat, brother. That's Vamos Argentina, vamos! Vamos Argentina! We're not gonna lose that. You're right, we're not gonna lose that. We're not. What? Who's faking? Who's faking? Ain't nobody ain't thinking. Argentina not losing today. What? You're dying. Hey, I've been yo, bro. I don't need to take off no jersey, bro. I'm supporting Argentina today. I'm not taking off no jersey. I've been to Argentina. Have you ever been to Argentina? You ever been to Argentina? At the Portugal, wait. Where? No, at the Argentina game. Yeah. Yeah. They played my song already. Here, go here. Hold on. Oh.
Let's go.
Shall we gotta go to the ball? We gotta go to the ball, baby. Let me go!
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Get it! Let's get it! Vamos Argentina, get it ball! Vamos! Yo, where's Daryl at? Where you at? Let's play football. Let's go, Argentina! Today we support Argentina! Let's go! Vamos! Who is blood? Who is blood? Who is blood clot? Who is blood clot? We will rock you. We will rock you. Damn. Hit him with the we will rock you. Body mountain and a step on bed. I just wanna play your fit Monday. Oh. No, Argentina, get back on defense. Argentina, get back on defense. Argentina, get back on defense. Come on. Get back on defense, Argentina. Come on. Get back on defense. Get back. Nice. Come on, McAllister. Right. I feel lightheaded, bro. Chad, why do I feel lightheaded? Whoa. Oh, no. Nice save, Emi Martinez. We will rock you. Come on. We will rock you. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Russell, lightheaded. I need sleep. That's what's on you. All right, man. Free kick. Switzerland. No thanks. Vou pra cá, vou mostrar porra, vou te ensinar. Você. Nice. Você joga sujo e eu fico maluco e tu fica te encosta. Let's go. Bro, Switzerland. Bro, Switzerland defender is tall. He like this. He probably could be selfie now, you see mine. Patrick Mahomes. Mahomes is a real goat. Hey! What kind of shot was it? Yo, bro. If a shot happens, the replay happens right there. No, I'm talking about like it's a little delayed. What's that? Yeah, I know we can't do that. No, I'm saying the replay. That replay, mate. That replay, mate. How fast can I run? Faster than you. No! 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 Yes! Yes! What a save! What a save! What is this? Oh! That's the cheese touch. That's the cheese. Why are you recording me? Why are you recording me? Henry, he's recording me. Get him out of here. No phone. Come on, Argentina, get back on defense. Argentina, get back on defense, bro. Yes. Nice. Bro, what just happened? Blue! Hey, Blue! 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 What are they doing? Blue! 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 Nice, Argentina. Nice, Emmy. Emmy, keep coming up, Emmy. Shawty, like my melody, like my favorite. Hello? Hello, everybody. Wait, what? Somebody got popcorn and stuff here. I know. Starting like my melody, right? Who's on that song? Akon? Vamos! Vamos! I ain't even training today, bro. What time we land? 4 a.m. Bro. Bro, 4 a.m., dude. And I got a football game at 4 p.m. What kind of? What? Argentina, get back! Get him! Nice! Oh, Argentina, no, what y'all doing? Come on, Argentina. It's gonna be okay. You right? It's coming home. It's coming home. Football is coming. Football. It's coming home. Football is coming. Lavers. Why the game stopping? Oh, somebody's injured. Who's down? Vamos Argentina. Vamos Argentina. Come on, bro. You pissing me off, bro. You pissing me off. You pissing me off. You are pissing me on. What? Is it on? 57 minutes, 57. G. Cheese touch. Vamos. 你电脑，你电脑。
Why?
G.
Why?
You are about to go on timeout for 2 minutes. You're throwing food. You're wasting food. We don't waste food over here. Eat it. Eat it. Will be in the Kansas City Chiefs Stadium.
Every night. Mahomes.
Yeah. That's what it is. Mahomes out. Yeah, you just said it. Wait, is Patrick Mahomes here? Hey, everyone out there, Patrick Mahomes. He's like, let's go, speed. It's coming home. It's coming home. What time you fighting? 11? I might be asleep. Chow, who's tournament? Who we fighting? Max Holloway? How much you weigh right now, Conor McGregor? 170? 170? What saved by Martinez? Nice, Argentina. Conor McGregor fight. I might gotta stay up and watch that. Wait, 11? Wait, that means 10 o'clock our time then. What is it on? UFC? I can't even hear. Yeah, you take it.
Thank you so much.
You gotta do something! Hey, we're wrestling! WWE! Blow the whistle, ref! Like, look! Come on, my man. Hey. What? Bro wasn't even going for the ball. It's coming. Bro, chat, how y'all chat? Okay, we're at the 62nd minute, 62nd minute. We're getting close to hydration break. Again, I want to hear you guys talk. I want to hear what y'all thinking. I want to hear what you guys are feeling. What do you guys think the score will be? Talk to me. Let me know how y'all feeling. What do you guys think the score will be? Get back, Argentina. Argentina, get back. Argentina, get back. Come on. Oh, bro? Where? Second level?
Yeah, worthy, sir.
Ames.
Here.
Here, here's info. Come to this side. Yeah. Is it on second floor? Alright, I'm gonna pull up. Alright, I'm gonna pull up.
Like the army right there when you pull in.
Yeah. I had to get to my feet. Yeah.
Dante where?
Alright, bro, look, bro. Chat, we gotta pull up on Xavier Worthy. We gotta pull up on Xavier. Huh? Gotta pull up on Pat and them. Xavier Worthy and Pat. Oh my gosh, y'all. What a save by Amy Martinez. Keep saving the ball. Yup. Oh, what a save. Yes, sir. Emmy. Bro, why can't I hear Jamal loud self from all the way over here?
She's my birthday. Happy birthday to you, Edith Cordinas. Happy birthday, bro. Love you, bro.
You a summer baby. You was born in the summer.
That mean your mom. Never mind. Happy birthday, Kaden.
Ay.
Let me get some tissue. Let me get some tissue. No, dog. No. Come on, no. Come on, bro. Come on, Argentina, bro. Come on, Argentina, come on. Come on, bro. Oh, my fault, Steph, my fault. My fault. No, bro. Come on, Argentina, bro. Let's get it going back, Argentina. Let's go. Vamos, bro. Vamos. No, come on, Argentina. Come on, bro. Come on, Argentina. Let's go, bro. We gotta win, bro. We gotta win. Come on, bro. Come on, lock in, bro. Let's go. No, bro. We losing right now, bro. It's tied, bro. Why we ain't come on, Argentina? Let's go, bro. King, no, bro. No, man. Dang, bro. We are up. Oh, he's off. What is he doing? Come on, bro. I'm pissed right now, bro. I'm pissed right now. Vamos, man. I'm about to get mad, bro. Dang, man.
That was bad.
Yeah, no, he flopped. That's the yellow card, bro. He flopped. That's the yellow card, bro. He flopped, bro. He flopped, bro. Vamos. Me gusta mi abuela, me gusta tú. Me gusta mi amaya. This one got a red card. What's good, Jay? You earning, buddy? What's good, Jay? I'm a big fan of you, bro. Real talk, bro. Hell yeah. How the season looking, bro? Straight? Hell yeah, bro. Hey, we gotta get that race in, bro. Whenever. We gotta set that race up, bro. We gotta set that race up, dude. Yeah, bro. You gotta set it up. No, bro. I don't know about that. It's gonna be close, though. Are we running a 40? Nah. We're not running a 40. We're running like 100. 100 meters.
100 meters. That's what
You
I'm
got a chance at 40.
Nah. I feel like my better chance at 100.
You get faster as you go.
I feel like I'm more like a top speed. Or like 60 meters. 60 meters. We can do like 60.
We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, we gonna figure it out.
Look, bro, I'm a big fan, though, bro.
W's favorite words, W's favorite words, bro. We gotta set that race up, though. What is wrong with you? You feel tired? Eat food. You not hungry? But you feel tired? Get some caffeine in here. I don't know what to tell you. Hydration break is over. Chad, we think winning the race. Me or RJ were working. I think 60 meter I got him. 60 meter I got him. 60 meter. 60 meter or 100 meter I got him. Vamos Argentina, vamos! Let's go! Let's go! Vamos! 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 Vamos, brother! I love you! I love you, brother! I love you! 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 Yo! What is it? Yo, what is it? Yo, tú! Te amo. Te amo. Te amo, te amo, te amo, te amo. Te amo, te amo, te amo. Te amo. 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Penalties? Nah. Oh! Can't see it. You can't see it. Come on, Argentina, get back on defense. Come on. Hit that like it's up. How much shows you that? So we about to hit 57.6 million subscribers. Everybody subscribed in the chat. $57.6. Everybody subscribe in the chat. Everybody sub up. Hit that like a sub button, bro. Come on, fast. Fast. Nine minutes left to full time. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Come on, Argentina, lock in. Lock in. Chat, is this game going to penalties? Is this game going to penalties, chat? Yes or no? Argentina, get back on defense, bro. Argentina, good stuff. Yes, nice. Shout out to you, cornerback Keeter. Corner IPO Keeter. I don't know. Whoever name is that. Jamal Watkins. How do you miss that, man? You gotta send that, bro. You gotta make that. Come on, bro. Is this game going to extra time? Huh? It definitely is. We're two extra time games in a row. It's alright. It makes my stream longer. I'm not complaining. What time is it right now? 46. We gotta gotta go straight to the airport, don't we? Oh, it's already?
Come on, Argentina, viva! ¡Viva! ¡Vamos, Argentina! ¡Vamos! No! Nice! Let's go, Argentina, let's go! Extra time, bro. You don't think so? You're right. It's going to be 10 minutes of extra time.
Come on, viva. Viva, Argentina, viva. Peace out, bro. Peace out. Peace out, David, bro. Oh, yeah, love, bro. I gotta pee, bro. Should I pee real quick or no? I should have pee, right? Be bad. Yeah. Nah, bro, I can't miss the goal, bro. See, I would've missed the goal. I gotta pee so bad, bro. Yellow! If it's a goal, yellow! Yellow! Alright, chat! Let's see. Woo! It's a good game, not gonna lie. I mean, it's an okay game. It's kind of boring, to be honest with you. Well, right now, this is getting interesting. Not last time. Somebody was already in the bathroom. Thank you. I gotta pee bad, bro. Oh, I gotta pee. Argentina. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, it's
Dang it.
hold on, I gotta use the bathroom. Hold on. Let me in, coach. Come on. Woo. Dang, bro. Crazy shot. Bro, this game is like insane. Woo! Go! To the line! Ooh! I feel like Messi is just like too over the game now. Oh my God! Messi!
I had to let that go. I had to let that go, bro. I had a lot of liquid inside of me. I had to let some steam go. Yikes.
Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Let's go, we the champions. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Let's go, we the champions. La 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 la, la la la, eh, la 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 la.
Come on, come on. Vamos.
Go.
The game's too intense.
I know we gotta really do sort of way back the World Cup final. That would be like, holy moly. Start away back the World Cup final. 3, 2, 1. Everybody in the chat say vamos Argentina. Come on. Let's go. Huh? What? We in Kansas right now, man. We're really in Kansas. We're really in Kansas. Switzerland making late stuff right now. Really? Bro, why do I just always be smelling random food? Like I'm smelling a hot dog right now. Five niggas all smelling a popcorn. 10 minutes ago. Why are you yelling? Chat, you can watch the match with me on Fox 1 on YouTube. You can subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. The link is in the description if you guys want to see the match. Argentina
Semifinals and the finals, bro.
both the semifinals and the finals. You can watch it on Fox 1 on YouTube. So guys, the link is in the description. So subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. US based to watch the match and me at the same time. So watch it with me. You get to see the match. It's a separate live stream from this, where it shows the game. I have 2 live streams up. 3 more minutes to full time. Watch the match with ISO speed. Come on! Vamos! Let's go! Come on, Argentina. Let's get a goal this corner. This corner, we gotta go. Let's get a corner, let's go. We're going to full-time, isn't it, bro? That's not a foul, bro. That's never a foul, man. And what nation in what world? In what universe that's a foul? Chad, is that a foul, bro? Oh my God, I ain't gonna lie, that save was crazy. What a shot. Extra time. Let's go. Extra time. Extra time. Extra time. This is bad, man. This is bad. Extra time, chat. Bro. This is gonna be a good day. Everybody, let's pray. This is the chat that we. What? That what? Chat. It's who do y'all think is winning this match, bro? Who do y'all think is winning the match, bro?
Argentina or Switzerland, bro. I think Argentina will win, bro. I believe they got it, man. Again, y'all, I'm doing the watch with me, y'all. You can watch the full match with me. Fox 1 on YouTube. That the link is in the description, bro. You can watch the match and if you subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube, you can also watch the semifinals and the finals, which my upcoming streams give you. You'll be able to watch them games. If you subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube, USA. The link is in the description, also in the chat, the pin chat. Why are you tired? This game's amazing. How are you tired? This has been an outstanding game. Okay. Man, there's a hater, dog. We got that. Put your flags in the chat. Switzerland flag or Argentina flag? Yo, you want energy? Eat this honey. It's honey pack. It's not that honey pack though. It's the energy honey pack. Yeah, lion's mane is healthy. Listen, bro, if you don't want it, don't give it back. The taste, you might not like the taste, so I'm recommend putting it on like cheese. Put it on like cheese or like, bro, don't waste it, bro, because those are mine. Don't be wasting stuff. Real talk. You just... Yeah. But it gets you energy though. You gonna be up. You gonna be jumping up walls. I might take that before my game. Bro, how much do I got left? Oh, yeah. Bro, you ain't even like it, bro. Last time on radio through, you was like, this is nasty. Oh, the game started? You was like, these nasty. Like, it's not about the taste. It's just to supply you with energy. I'm good, brother. You're being dumb stiff. I'm talking to people in the crowd, dude. No, I was doing a flex off with somebody. Alright, let's play football, chat. Minutes of football. 30 more lines. 30 more minutes of football. Come on, man. You reckon penalties? You reckon? Nah, bro, we don't want Switzerland to win, bro.
It's a great game right now.